Okay, so we decided to try Home Chef, and I'm showing you this unboxing. There's a lot of this foam in here, and then it comes with a little like place card that says there's fresh ingredients below. The meals come in these little bags right here, and they're labeled so you know which one goes with which recipe. It's very organized. We have tried other home delivery kits before. This one is definitely one of my favorites. You can tailor the meals down very simply. There's not a ton of chopping and mincing and preparation that goes into it, but I really enjoyed it. Up under all of the fresh ingredients, there's another ice pack with a place card that has the meat all in a separate bag. That way it doesn't get mixed up or anything like that. And then there's another ice pack down below, which those are reusable. They're very handy, but everything's insulated. It comes really fresh. And so far we've been enjoying it. The recipe cards are on the side. They're super easy to read and follow along, and I love it. Like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.